it's Chantal Elaine. Today I wanted to share an Uber Eats information video about how to use the driver app with the new update and what makes it better. Firstly, this video is about steps and information about the app once you've already set up your account, so sorry for those who've come here in search for a setup tutorial. That's not quite what I'm here to talk about, but feel free to stick around to hear what happens once you can start accepting delivery requests. Once you have your cell phone or tablet in front of you, whichever device you'll be using the app on, click on the driver app. Now once it's open, there should be a round button on the top left with 3 lines on it. Click that and it will bring you to a list of things to choose from. But for now, click on your profile picture. Whether you are a new driver or not, below your photo there should be the amount of deliveries you've completed, and beside that, your overall rating based on the last 100 people who have rated you. By scrolling down, there'll be a box for you to fill out. Go ahead and tell your customers why you deliver with Uber. Mine says I'm saving to travel. I've never left Canada before, so my go-to destination would definitely be Disney World. I want to go specifically for the food. I hear the treats at Universal Studios are wonderful too. Harry Potter butterbeer and meals will just be so phenomenal to try. Just below the why you deliver box will be options to add things like what your favorite food is or other languages you speak, so you can be a little bit more personable. I like that they've done this now because you don't really get to make any kind of impression on the customers at all if they mostly request the food to be delivered and left at the door. If you scroll down on your profile even more to the end, you can see your customers' compliments. I personally wish they'd show the negative reviews too, because there's no way to know what you've done wrong or what the customer didn't like about the delivery service you provided. As you can see, my rating has gotten significantly lower in the past couple weeks for reasons I have no insight about. Sometimes customers will rate you on things that are out of your control. However, if I were in their shoes, it makes sense to rate the delivery driver through the app right away if something was wrong with the overall process of ordering and receiving the food. If you back out of the profile and go to the list of action buttons on the main menu, there's a link for promotions. This will show you the nearby areas that have boosts. This is where you can make extra money on your deliveries. This is very helpful. If you are ready to start your deliveries, go ahead to the main map page and click on the big Go button. It will prompt you to click on the action required button highlighted in red. This will show you a checklist of what you need to do for safety of yourself and others during the COVID-19 health precautions. You are required to wear a face cover as a driver right now, and if you don't, restaurants and customers can make note of the policy not being adhered to, which affects your rating. If your rating goes down too low, you'll be contacted by Uber and they can deactivate you and you'll lose access to your account. Fill out all the checkboxes. The main one is taking a photo of yourself with a face mask on. After you clean your car and your hands, you can press the button that says Ready to Drive. Now it's time. Click the Go button one more time and it will bring you online and start finding you deliveries. Once a request pops up, it gives you, I think, 10 seconds to accept it, and also shows the information about the order. You can be picky and decline orders, however, that's money that someone else gets to make now if you keep passing up the opportunities. And there's no guarantee there's another order nearby or even offering more money. The main order request will show you the approximate time it will take to complete the order. It will state what restaurant you'll be picking up from, and lastly, tell you the minimum of how much money you will earn on that trip. The dollar amount on the screen doesn't include the tip. It's especially nice when you accept a request for 2 orders at once. This usually means 2 tips are on the way after the orders are complete. If you're new to the app, just a heads up about the tips. They'll be added to your account an hour after the delivery in case the customers decide to change their amounts, so don't fret. Anyways, I hope this helped you out in navigating the app a little bit. I hope to see you next time. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to be kind.